Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, how are you today?
We are good, Miss. And you, Miss?
I'm feeling good too. So, before we start our lesson today, I want you guys to give me the example of a verb. Only one. Start from Aulia. Can you give me the example of a verb?
Can, Miss.
And you, Uli?
Right, Miss.
Okay. That's what. That's all correct. And what you guys just said is actually infinitive. So our material today is about infinitive. So what is infinitive? Infinitive is a basic form of a verb, usually start by word to, and it's not always start with a word to, but usually. So there are two types of infinitive. The first is full infinitive. So full infinitive is the type of infinitive that use to in front of the verb, and there are four functions of full infinitive. So the first is to show purpose or intention. It explains why someone does something. They act as adverbs to describe the main verb, like the example here, Mom left to buy milk. So the two infinitive here explain why Mom left. The reason is to buy milk. And the next function is to modify nouns. They usually act as adjective or adjective phrases, like the example here. It was take a look to the second example, like she was happy to see her friends. So to see here explain why she was happy, because she sees her friend, that's why she was happy. And the third function is about the subject of a sentence. It usually talk about an action in general. So the example here is to go this late seems pointless. And the last function is about phrases with most relative pronouns. So for full infinitive, we only use relative pronouns that include how, whom, who, what, and so on. But in this full infinitive, we don't use why. So, wait. So for the last function, we don't use why in this full infinitive. We only use how, whom, what, when, where, and so on. Like the example, I don't understand how to beat the level 5 boss. Like in this example, after the word how, we use full infinitive to beat. So the next type of infinitive is bare infinitive. And in this bare infinitive also have four function. The first is after modal verbs. So I think you guys already know what is modal verb is. So after we use modal verbs, it always it we must use the bare infinitive. Like the example here, you mustn't mention politics when talking to my father. So the modal here is must, and the bare infinitive is mentioned. After must, we must use bare infinitive, because must here is modal infinitive, modal verbs. The next function is with the verb let, make, and do. Same as the after modal before. After the verbs let, make, and do, we have to use bare infinitive. And the next function is after reception verbs. The order in this function is verb, object, and the main verb, object, and then bare infinitive. Like the example here, I heard the car arrive before I saw it. So the main verb in this example is heard, and the object is the car. So after the car, we must use the bare infinitive. So in this example, the bare infinitive is arrive. And the last function is with relative pronoun y. So in the full infinitive use another relative pronoun, but in this bare infinitive use y. So in this function we use to make suggestion in the form of question, like the example here, why not ask for direction. So the speaker here ask why someone not ask for direction, but actually it's for a suggestion. So before we close our class today, do you have any suggestion or question, guys?
Can you, Miss, give some another question from with relative pronouns why?
So like why don't you make a dinner, like that. So the speaker asks why don't you make a dinner, but it actually the speaker suggests the object to make a dinner for himself, like that. So
Thank you, Miss.
another question, do you have any another question?
No, Miss, it's clear.
Okay, if you think the explanation is clear, thank you for your kind attention. That's all our class today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.